Hello friends, welcome to Rinku's Rasoi. Today I am going to show you very tasty and healthy recipe, and that is moringa leaves paratha. It has lots of nutrients value and it's full of iron and calcium. So first I am taking fresh moringa leaves. I am going to remove the leaves from the stems. Make sure to remove all the stems, even in the small one, and then you can chop the leaves in small pieces. So I'm just going to remove the stems, and then here I chop the leaves, and I'm taking 2 cups of moringa leaves. So I wash it 2 to 3 times. Now I'm taking 2 cups of wheat flour, and in this wheat flour I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 green chili finely chopped, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, some salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using vegetable oil over here. And in this I am adding 2 cups of moringa leaves. So if you want to measure, the measurement for this one is 2 cups of moringa leaves with 2 cups of wheat flour. So you can adjust according to your quantity. Now mix everything together. So I'm just going to mix it. Now everything is nicely mixed. Now I'm going to add little bit water at a time. Just make sure to add little bit water and just knead your dough. And here my dough is ready. Now I'm going to take little bit oil in my palm. Same, I'm going to use vegetable oil. I'm taking 1 teaspoon of oil in my palm, and I'm just going to cover the dough with the oil. And now I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to let it rest for at least 30 minutes. And here 30 minutes has been done, and as you can see everything is nicely mixed and well rested. Now I'm going to mix everything again. Just knead 1 or 2 times, just like this. And now I'm going to take little bit dough in my palm and just press it and make a ball like this. And now I'm going to roll it. So here I'm going to take little bit of flour for dusting, and I'm going to roll it using my rolling pin and roll it like a bakri, like 1/8 inch of the thickness. Not too thin and not too thick. It's like paratha. So if you feel it's a little bit sticky, then take little bit more flour for the dusting. And here my paratha is rolled very nice. Now I'm going to roast it. So the tawa is hot. I'm going to let it roast on one side, and then I'm going to flip it. And then on this side I'm going to let it roast. Now adding little bit of oil on this side. Just brushing little bit of oil, and then flip the side and let it roast. And I'm going to add some oil on the other side as well and flip the side. Now roast on both sides until it's done. As you can see, my paratha is ready to serve. I'm going to serve this paratha with green chutney. You can also enjoy this paratha with pickle, yogurt or any kind of chutney. This is perfect for the lunchbox or just anytime snacks. Make this at your home, and I will see you with the next episode of Rinku's Rasoi. Till then, happy cooking!